Hey kids, welcome to the magical world of letters. Today we are going on a fun adventure to meet vowels and consonants. Ha 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 ha. Hey everyone, I am Vowo. I have just five amazing friends. A, E, I, O, U. We are the vowels, we are the vowels. Yo, yo, yo! I am Conny. I have got a huge gang of 21 cool letters. We are the consonants. We are the consonants and we love making noise. We love making noise. Without us, you can't see apple, ice cream, or even umbrella. And without us, you say only oh, all day long. It's a boring. Let's see who can make more words. Ready? Go! Apple, elephant, igloo, octopus, umbrella. Ball, cat, dog, frog, zebra. Oh yeah? But you need vowels in all your words. That's true. Without you, my cat becomes CT and my dog becomes DG. So, you are right. That's right, kids. Vowels and consonants are best friends. They need each other to make words. So, Connie, let's promise to always stick together. Yeah, teamwork makes the dream work. So, we will work in team so that our dream works. Yippee! A, E, I, O, U. Vowels are fun to do. A, E, I, O, U. Let's cheer. With B to Z, we all are here. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels help us spell it through. B to Z stands so tall. Consonants, we need them all. Mix us up. And what do you see? Words that sing so happily. Vowels and consonants side by side, making words so full of pride. A, E, I, O, U, let's cheer. With B to Z, we all are here. Now, guys, you know, vowels and consonants make the best team ever. See you later, alligators. Yeah, in a while, crocodile. So, friends, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning adventures. Bye.